Everybody, Jim King Piers, underneath the crawl space here in Greenwood. We, you can see there we poured some 8 of these 2x2 2-foot thick footings. They go down into the dirt about 1 foot and about a foot exposed. And these are for our vertical support beams. We use 6x6s on top of there, and it's very dry in here, and they will literally last forever. Nothing wrong with the steel beams. This horizontal beam in here is generally a steel beam, and what they've got here is wood, so we've got to put a lot of them vertical beams. That's why we added 4 footings on each run here, and to get the floors tight again. The base trim upstairs on the main floor has dropped about ½ an inch or so, and this is our guys doing our magic. We should be done today. For all your foundation repair needs, Piers, I believe we are the nation's best at making things level, houses, buildings, and structures. All these men have been with me for years. I think this is Jaime's 14th year and Zach's 15th year. The rest of these guys have been with me at least 7 years, I'd say. That young man right there, he's an original. He's getting old like me. Lots of knowledge down here, folks. If your house is sinking, we can install our Piers. We have a choice of 4 piers, Pier 1, 2, 3, or 4. And in this house here, the footings are not sinking. It's these vertical supports holding this wood horizontal beam. And it's only 2 runs, as you can see. 2 runs of 2x6. It's not very much. 2x8s. There might be a 2x10. But for the size house this is, I don't know why they didn't go with a steel beam. They wouldn't be having this problem right now. So stay with me, folks. Piers, Greenwood, 816-521-8915, or you can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.